In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Google Sheets. If you're tired of plain white grids, a little color can make your data easier to read, guide attention to what matters, and give your sheet a polished, on-brand look. I'll walk you through two straightforward approaches: a quick manual fill for targeted highlights, and an automatic striped style for clean, professional tables. Let's start with the classic approach for precise control. First, select the cells you want to color. You can click and drag across a range, or select entire rows and columns if you're styling headers, totals, or key sections. Then, look for the fill color icon in the toolbar, the little paint bucket. Click it to open a palette of preset colors. Choose one that complements your data, making sure your text remains easy to read. High contrast is your friend here. Light text on dark fills or dark text on light fills keeps everything clear. If you have brand-specific colors, click the plus sign under Custom and paste in a hex code to match your exact palette. This is perfect for dashboards and shared reports where consistency matters. If you try a color and it feels too loud or too faint, use Undo and test a different shade until your information stands out without overwhelming the page. Now, if you're styling a full table and want something that looks buttoned up with almost no effort, use alternating colors. Start by highlighting your entire table, including the header row if you've got one. Go to the Format menu and choose Alternating Colors. Instantly, Google Sheets applies a neat zebra stripe pattern to your selection. This not only improves readability by guiding your eye across rows, but it also stays perfectly aligned if you add or delete rows later. That smart behavior means you don't have to reapply formatting when your data changes. Your stripes adapt automatically. You can pick a preset style or fine-tune the shades so the header is distinct and the alternating rows are subtle but visible. Keep the tones gentle if you plan to print or share screenshots, and remember that lighter tints often work best for dense tables. To sum it up, use the Fill Color tool when you need targeted highlights or precise brand colors, and switch to alternating colors for a fast, consistent table format that scales with your data. With just a few clicks, your sheet will look cleaner, clearer, and far more professional.